class, I am going to teach you how to find square root of numbers. There are two methods are there. One method is prime factorization method. The other one is log division method. Log division method. What are the two methods? Prime factorization method. The second one is log division method. So, first of all, we have to check what is prime factorization method. I will show one example. Okay. First of all, we have to do prime factorization method. You already know that what are prime numbers. What are prime numbers? A prime number has only two factors. One, the number, and one itself. Only two factors. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 17, etc. 13, etc. Let's do some problems with prime factorization method. First one is 625. 625. First of all, here we are going to check divisibility. Okay, we are going to start with the small prime numbers. So 2 will not go. Okay, next we are going to check whether 3 will go or not. So how will you check whether 3 will go or not? So we should add the digits. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So 13 is not a multiple of 3. Okay, so 3 will not go. Next, 5. We have to check with the 5. So, how many times 5 goes in 6? How many times 5 goes in 6? Only one time. So, we have to write 1 here. Then, what is remaining? 1. 6 minus 5, you get it 1. Then 12. Next number is 1 to 12. Then how many times 5 will go in 12? Only 2 times. 2 5s are 10. 10. Then 12 minus 10 you get 2. Remainder you get 2. 25. How many times 5 goes in 25? 5 5s are 25. Again 5 will go. How you understand? A number ends with 5 or 0 in the ones place. It is divisible by 5. So 5. How many times 5 will go in 12? 2 times. 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 2. 25. How many times 5 goes in 25? 5 5s are 25. So we can write 25. Then, how many times 5 goes in 25? 5 5s are 25. Okay. So, we can write 625 can be write like this. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So, how many times 5 repeats here? 4 times 5 repeats here. Okay. Okay. So, we want to find square root of 625. Okay, we have to find the square root of, square root is represented like this, 625. So, we can write root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. From this, you have to take, from these, you have to take these pairs. How many pairs are there? This is one pair, this is another pair. So, we have 2 pairs of 5. From this pair, you have to take, from this pair, you have to take one 5. And from this pair, you have have to take 5. So 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. So what is the answer? The square root of 625 is equal to 25. Is it clear? Is it clear? The concept clear or not? Is the concept clear? Next problem. Next problem. Thousand 24. So how will you check the divisibility? So whether it is divisible by 2. Why? Its ones place is 4. A number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are divisible by 2. So it is divisible by 2. So how many times 2 goes in 10? 5 times. How many times 2 goes into? Only 1 time. How many times 2 goes in 4? 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 will go. How many times 2 goes in 2? How many times 2 goes in 5? 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Then remaining you get 1. 11. How many times 2 goes in 11? 5 2s are 10. And what is remaining? 1 is remaining. 12. 6 2s are 12. Then again 2 will go. Then 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Then remaining you get 1 16. 2 2s are 4. Then remaining 5 minus 4 1 16. Then 16. How many times 2 goes in 16? 8 2s are 16. Then how many times 2 goes in 128? 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. Then again 2 will go. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 will go. 2 1s are 2. Then remaining 3 minus 2 you get 1. 12. 6 2s are 12. Then 2 how many times in 16? 8 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then next we are going to find the square root of this one. So first of all you have to arrange this 1 0 2 4 can be write as how many 2s are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 2s are there. So you have to write like this 2 into 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 2. How many 2s? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. One more 2 we have to write. So we have to write like this. We have to write like this. 1 0 2 4 is equal to 2 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. Then we have to find the square root of 104. 1024, which is equal to root of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then from how many pairs we get? 5 pairs we get, right? So how many pairs? This is 1 pair. This is another pair. First pair. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pairs. So we get 5 pairs of 2. Out of these, we take 1, 2. From these pair, we take 1, 2. We take 1, 2. From these pair, we take 1, 2. From this pair, we take 1, 2. From this pair, we take 1, 2. From this pair, we take 1. Then how many 2s are here? 5 2s we get. Okay. Then next, we have to multiply this. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 into 2 is equal to 32. 16 into 2 is equal to 32. So square root of 1024 is equal to 32. The square root of 1024 is equal to 32. Okay, clear? One more example we have to write. Okay, let's do one more problem. A number, you always start with the smallest prime number. So a number 2 is divisible. How you understand whether this 2 is divisible or not? A number ends with or its unique place is 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 comes, it is divisible by 2. So let's start. Okay, 2. How many times 2 goes in 23? 11 2s are 22. Then 23 minus 22 we get 1. 10. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 will go. 2 5s are 10. Then 11 minus 10 is equal to 1, 15. 7 2s are 15. 7 2s are 15. Then remainder we get how much? 7 2s are 14. 15 minus 14 we get 1, 12. 6 2s are 12. Then again 2 will go. Then how many times 2 goes in 5? 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 17. 8 2s are 16. 17 minus 16 is equal to 1. Then 16. 8 twos are 16. Then again 2 will go. 2 ones are 2 fours are 4s are. Then again 2 will go. How many times 2 goes in 14? 7 twos are 14. 2 twos are 4. Then again 2 will go. 2 threes are 6. Then 2 threes are 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 12. 6 twos are 12. Then again 2. How many times 2 goes in 3? Only 1 time. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then 16. 2 8s are 16. Again 2 will go. 2 9s are. 2 9s are 18. Then the last one is 9. How many times? 3. 3 3s are 9. So we can get like this. 2 3 0 4. Can we write like this? How can we write? How many 2's repeats here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times 2 repeats. How many times 3 repeats here? 2 times. 1 2. So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 2 repeats? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. One more time. It will repeat. Then into how many times 3 repeats? 2 times. Okay. Then root of, we want to find the root. So root of 2 3 0 4 is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So how many times 6 repeats? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 7 8 into 3 into 3. Okay, clear? So from these we have to take the pairs. We have to take the pairs. From these we have to take one. How many pairs we get? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair. Okay, 5 pairs we get. From each pair, you take one number. So, from the first pair you take 1 2. From the second pair you take 1 2. From the third pair we get, you have to take 1 2. From the fourth pair we take 1 2. From the fifth pair we have to take 3. Okay, so multiply these. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 3 is equal to how much? 48. So square root of 2304 is equal to 48. Okay, clear? In the next video, you can do